How to send money with PayPal to friends and family. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can send money to friends and family using PayPal. In order to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. However, you can also use the application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. On the web address bar, type in www.paypal.com. Now first thing, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. So click on the login button located right on top. So then to log into your account, you'll be asked to enter in the verification code that will be sent to a registered phone number. Now enter in the verification code that will be sent through an SMS. After you're logged into your PayPal account, this is how the interface is going to look like. On this page, you need to click on the send button located right on top in order to make a transaction. Now you'll need to enter in the recipient details that includes entering name, username, email or mobile number, and then click on the next button. After done entering the email address, you'll be asked to enter in the amount and make sure that you enter in the correct amount. After that, you need to click on the next button located right at the bottom. Make sure that you have enough funds as well, and you need to link your debit card if you haven't linked your card. So after you're done linking your bank account or your credit card, you'll be able to make a transaction. So that is basically how you can transfer money to your friends and family on PayPal. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.